Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This short tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make these cool rounded corner shapes directly in PowerPoint, so let's jump straight into it. So as usual, we'll start with a blank presentation and go to Layout Blank. From the drawing section in the shapes, we have some shapes that are available with rounded corners, such as this rectangle, where you can click and drag this yellow dot to change the roundness of the corners. But a lot of the other shapes don't have that. For example, the triangle. And often I'd like to use shapes with rounded corners which can look really nice and make your slides stand out with different designs. So in the example of a triangle, dragging the yellow dot will just move the point of the triangle. But there is a way where you can make these really nice rounded corner effects, and to do that we right click, Format Shape, choose Line, something really big like 30 point, and then we go to Join Type and choose Round. Now we can set the fill color and the outline color to be the same. For example, I can pick this green, outline and the shape fill to both be the same color. Now we have this shape, we can press Ctrl D. That will duplicate it and then go to Shape Format, Edit Shape, Change Shape and pick anything from here. Many of them will work with this round join type, but not every one. So I could select diamond, that works. I'd probably want to make it the same height as width, 2.54 for both. So that looks good. Again, we'll duplicate this, edit shape, change shape. This time pick up something like the heart. These will work really well with rounded corners. The trapezium. So now we have these nice shapes with rounded corners. They're now easy to change to any colour you want. Just make sure you change the outline as well. And if you want to apply that in one go to any amount of shapes, you can press Ctrl Shift and C and then Ctrl Shift and V. So there's an easy way of making shapes with rounded corners, and they can look really good and really interesting in your slides. For the animations, you can pick anything you want that looks good. For this one, I chose an emphasis of Grow Shrink, changed it to tiny, went to the animation pane, set it to auto reverse, and set it to a very quick time of either 1 or 3/4 of a second, whatever you think looks good, and set it to happen with previous, so it'll start at the beginning. Going to set that down to about ½ a second. Looks good. This one I'm going to set to a spin, so we can say add animation, spin. I'm going to set that to a 1 second duration, happen with previous, and get it to spin the other way round, counterclockwise. For the heart, I'm going to add something like this teeter effect. And for this one, I'm going to add a grow shrink, but this time have it get a bit bigger and then go back smaller. So double click on this, set it to auto reverse. We'll speed up the time, again ½ a second, and we'll make both of these happen with previous. I'm going to make this zoom in a little bit smaller, so something like 125% rather than 150. Press return. So now you have these shapes. It's really easy to change things like changing the background to anything you want, changing these to any colour you want. I'll just choose a soft pink here. Make sure that you change the outline colour as well. Then you can Ctrl Shift C and Ctrl Shift V to apply it to anything else. And you instantly have some very flexible, very easy to customise and great looking shapes directly in PowerPoint. And if you'd like to download the source files for any of these presentations, there's a link to my Patreon in the description below. And if you want to become a PowerPoint expert and make stunning slides, then watch the next video or take one of my courses from Udemy or Skillshare, which are linked in the description below.